Online Marketing for Beginners with Bill Morrow. Welcome to this video. My name is Bill Morrow and I am going to guide you through this program to enable you to get exactly what you want. Now, hopefully you're looking for and you've clicked on this link, so it's got to be something related to online marketing. Starting a business from home, internet marketing, all of these things, making money online, everything is covered. The course itself, I have completed the course, and after 9 years of hunting and looking, I eventually found this, and I can tell you it is first class. Right from the very onset, where you begin the course, you go stage by stage by stage. You do one little video, you watch a video, then you have one task to perform in that video. That is one little piece to do. You complete that, then you go on to the next video. Now, by the time you have completed all the videos, you suddenly realize you've got a business. Your business online is complete. So now you can start promoting your business. You're told all about that, how to get customers to your business, how to build the whole thing up. As I said, everything is covered in there. Now, as I have done, I've completed the course, I've done the course, and now I am offering you my assistance. So that all you've got to do is to come onto my email list, where I will give you further information about the course, telling you all the benefits of the course and everything else. So from someone who's just recently done the course and is now on his way with the course, I will help you. The other benefit will be that I will be in contact with you and you can be in contact with me should there be any other problem. Yes, in the course you do have assistance from Aaron Chen, who made the course. You can go and talk with him. You can have weekly conferences. You can have Facebook, join groups in Facebook and everything like that. Or you can talk to the person who introduced you. Same thing. It's a benefit. It's a benefit. But at least you know my face. I will talk with you and I will stick with you until your course is completed. And then, of course, we can go on and benefit from the whole thing. So all we got to do now is you've landed on the right page. You're in the right direction. You've got the right idea. You want to get yourself working on a new business. Great, exactly that, and I will help you. So go onto the link below in the description box, click on that, you'll get onto my email list, and I will send you the further information to tell you more about the system, how it works, and the benefits in it. Right, looking forward to seeing you later on. Bye for now.